This isn't just a pickup truck. It's a tiny off-grid house that can go where most RVs would break. Imagine a factory-built adventure machine that looks like a rugged pickup, drives like a modern SUV, and lives like a compact motorhome. That's exactly what the Maxus T90 Explorer is, and it has become one of the most surprising and talked about RV-style pickups on the market because it doesn't just add a camper shell, it becomes a full camper from the factory. The Maxus T90 Explorer is built on a stretched version of the T90 pickup, giving it the toughness of a truck with the comfort of a small RV. Unlike normal pickups that carry a removable camper, this one replaces the entire bed with a fully insulated, purpose-built living cabin. There are no gaps, no flex issues, no aftermarket compromises, just a solid, seamless adventure vehicle that's ready for roads, trails, mountains, and long-distance travel. And it all starts with power. Under the hood, the T90 Explorer uses a 2.0-liter twin-turbo diesel engine that produces 160 kilowatts, or about 218 horsepower, and a strong 500 newton-meters of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the truck feels smooth on highways and surprisingly capable when you're climbing rough terrain. And because it comes with timely four-wheel drive, you're not limited like in most RVs. This thing actually wants to get dirty. Maxus also did something very clever with the design. Instead of rigidly connecting the camper body to the cab, they created a flexible, soft connection system. This allows the chassis to twist naturally over rocks and uneven ground without cracking or damaging the cabin. This one design alone makes the Explorer far more durable and off-road capable than most pickup campers you see today. Let's talk size. At roughly 6 meters long, 2.3 meters wide, and almost 3 meters tall, the T90 Explorer looks like a miniature expedition truck. But it isn't huge or awkward to drive. It's compact enough for city streets, tight turns, and regular parking spots, yet big enough inside to feel like a proper mobile home. The exterior is built from insulated composite materials that keep the cabin warm in winter and cool in hot weather. The clean lines, smooth walls, and factory fit and finish give it a professional look that home-built conversions rarely match. You also get outside storage lockers, utility ports, and a roof that often comes equipped with solar panels. And speaking of solar, this truck is built for off-grid living. It includes a 12-volt 400 amp-hour lithium battery system, a 3,000-watt inverter, and a standard 200 watts of solar power. Now let's walk into the interior, because this is where the Maxus T90 Explorer surprises almost everyone. The driver's cabin looks and feels like a modern pickup, with a multi-function steering wheel, electric power steering, a large 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a central infotainment screen with smartphone connectivity. So even though you're driving an adventure vehicle, you still get all the comfort and convenience of a new model truck. But the real transformation begins the moment you step into the living area behind the cab. Here, Maxus has built an RV space that is small, smart, and surprisingly comfortable. You typically get seating for 4 and sleeping space for up to 4 people. The dinette area doubles as a sofa and converts into a bed at night. It's the perfect place for meals, work, relaxation, and hanging out on cold or rainy evenings. On one side, there's a compact but efficient kitchen. You get a sink, a stove, a countertop, and a built-in refrigerator, usually a 49 to 66-liter unit, depending on the version. It's not a tiny cooler, it's a proper fridge designed for RV use, which stays cold even when the outside temperature is high. The 120-liter clean water tank gives you plenty of water for cooking, washing, and drinking during multi-day trips. And yes, the Explorer includes its own bathroom. That's a game changer. Depending on the configuration, you either get a combined wet bath with a shower, sink, and toilet, or a more separated layout. Having your own bathroom means you don't need public facilities or campgrounds. You can camp anywhere, anytime. And with the available hot water system and diesel heater, the cabin stays warm and comfortable in cold weather. Storage is another major advantage. The Explorer includes overhead cabinets, underseat compartments, wardrobe storage, and outside access lockers. Every inch is used intelligently, giving you enough room to store clothes, gear, tools, and supplies for longer adventures. Safety is built in too. You get features like electronic stability program, hill descent control, a 360-degree panoramic camera system, an electronic parking brake with auto hold, and other driver assist features that make off-road driving and tight parking situations much easier. For beginner RV owners, these features make a massive difference. So who is the Maxus T90 Explorer for? It's for travelers who want the freedom of a motorhome without the stress of driving something huge. It's for people who want real off-road capability but don't want to sleep in a tent or a cramped pickup canopy. It's for adventurers who want to go deeper into nature, farther than big RVs could ever dream of going, while still enjoying comfort, warmth, and modern convenience. The Explorer is perfect for long-distance road trips, mountain expeditions, desert crossings, or spending weekends far from busy campsites. With 4WD, strong torque, good ground clearance, and flexible body-to-chassis engineering, you can take it to places regular motorhomes simply cannot handle. It's also great for digital nomads or full-time travelers. You can pull over anywhere, open the door, and instantly have everything you need: a bed, a kitchen, a workspace, a bathroom, and electricity. No setup. No hassle. Just freedom. Picture this. You arrive at a quiet river, park on the bank, and step into your cozy cabin. You cook a meal, sit by the window, watch the sunset over the water, and sleep comfortably inside your warm, insulated camper. In the morning, you make coffee, check your solar battery level, and drive off to your next destination. That's the simple, peaceful lifestyle the T90 Explorer offers. With a 120-liter freshwater tank and a 40-liter gray water tank, you can stay off-grid for days without worrying about refills or waste disposal. The composite body won't rust or rot, so the vehicle should last years, even in harsh climates. And because everything is designed and installed at the factory, you don't deal with the common problems of DIY conversions, loose panels, leaking roofs, or failing electrical systems. Of course, no camper is perfect. The interior is compact, so it won't feel like a large motorhome. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Maxus T90 Explorer, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which camper, RV, or off-road vehicle you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.